Good morning. Okay, I'm going to be pretty out of breath for this one, but bear with me. Today we're going to be discussing what I am bringing to the hospital with me. I learned a lot from last time. If you are curious, I will leave my what's in my hospital bag video from my last pregnancy linked at the top down below. And I mean, every time is different, so who knows, but I think I'm going to be completely set this time around. So I have with me my hospital bag and the baby's bag. There are still some things missing, but they're very minor things that I can just kind of throw in last minute or pick up on the way to the hospital, that kind of thing. The first thing I have is actually not packed in the bag. It is in its own bag. This is the travel bag for my maternity pillow, but it is not my maternity pillow in here. This is actually a twin size memory foam mattress topper. Why am I bringing this, you ask? Because I had major abdominal surgery done. I was uncomfortable, in pain, and miserable for the majority of the time that I was in the hospital. And the one thing that absolutely amplified all of that was the fact that the hospital bed made my butt hurt. My butt and my back so bad. So I decided this time I'm gonna bring my own damn solution. I picked this up off of Amazon for, I think it was, I got it on sale for like $50, something like that. Right beside me here, I also have a twin size sheet to put over top of it. If you know you were going to be in the hospital for more than one night, like no, or even if it's a major concern for you, highly recommend investing in one of these things, because then you can end up just taking it home and putting it on an actual bed. So it's not like you're spending $50 to $60 on something you're only going to use in the hospital. So that to me was worth it, especially for the amount of pain I was in just from the hospital bed. I don't actually know if they will allow me to use that, but to be perfectly honest, I don't really care. I'm going to be using it anyway. Let's get into my stuff. Last time I used a big, I want to say duffel bag. It wasn't a duffel bag. I used a very large, just like over the shoulder bag. This time I'm actually going to be using my suitcase. My boyfriend used his suitcase last time, and let me just tell you, that man is a lot smarter than me sometimes. Quick mention, there's two things of mine that are not in here that I will be bringing, and that is my boppy, because I'm going to need that to hold my stomach in place, as well as the baby, and my own personal pillow from my bed, which I am going to be transferring into the matching pillowcase from this sheet set. First things first, I have a garbage bag for all the dirty laundry. Clothes, what am I bringing for clothes? I have 3 nightgowns. I don't actually know how many nights they're at minimum they're gonna keep me, but I know for the first night anyway, because they're gonna be checking my incision. I'm gonna have the catheter in still and all that. I'm not gonna be wearing my own clothes for the first night. I have 3 nightgowns just in case, because you never know. These are my motherhood maternity ones. They're the exact same ones I brought to the hospital with me last time. I discussed these in my postpartum video, which will also be linked down below. These are nursing nightgowns. I won't be nursing, but I like the support that they provide. The famous high-waisted Amazon underwear. Do I need all of them? No, absolutely, probably, most likely not. However, I hate the mesh hospital underwear with a passion, and I know I'm gonna have to wear it for the first at least 24 hours after my surgery until they let me shower anyway. I'm not taking any chances. I want fresh, clean underwear the entire time I am there. I'm bringing them all. But these are the best, the absolute best. They're the perfect amount of compression and the perfect amount of coverage. Now, my going home outfit. Last time I brought a dress with me. I didn't end up wearing it because I was more comfortable wearing a nightgown, and we were just going home, so I just threw a cardigan over top of one of my nightgowns after I had my shower, and that was good enough. That was good to go. However, I had my baby the beginning of October last time. This time I'm having my baby late November, so I'm not wearing a nightgown home. Super comfy sports bra. This is one that I mentioned in my pregnancy essentials, I think. This is from Aerie, and I've got a pair of warm boot socks, a pair of super high-waisted leggings from Aerie, and then I couldn't decide on a shirt. I didn't know if I wanted loose or stretchy tight fitting. I didn't know if I was gonna want the extra compression, or if I was gonna just want something that hangs. So I've got 2 long sleeve shirts. This one is just an athletic work shirt from Walmart. This one is, it's not a compression shirt, but it's tight enough that I feel like with the layers of my belly band, the underwear, the high-waisted leggings, that it will be a fair amount of compression to be able to get me to and from the hospital comfortably. And the second option is also just a plain long sleeve shirt from George from Walmart, and this one is just a very loose fitting like jersey cotton type shirt. Alright, and now let's get into my toiletries. This is the Frida Mama. I know they provide you with a standard peri bottle at the hospital, which I'm absolutely going to take advantage of and take home. These things got to get cleaned. But largely I'm going to be using this baby because of the curved tip. After a C-section will just make your life so much better because you don't have to lean forward. There's even less work involved than using the standard upright peri bottle. If you've seen my last hospital bag video, you know exactly what is in here. This bag is all of my padded items. Again, I hate the massive like diaper pads they give you at the hospital. So I've got 6 of these massive always overnight pads. These are my favorite. I filled the rest of this with the standard blue. This is the Max absorption ones are orange. This one is the next one down. And then on top of it, I just threw in a bunch of breast pads. I'm gonna want to be prepared in case my milk comes in while I'm at the hospital. Last time it didn't come in until like day 2 or 3 of being home. I still wore them because I didn't want to leak through anything. So that is going to be going in the hospital bathroom because as soon as I'm allowed to use the facilities, I will be using those. And then my shower toiletry bag. I'm not bringing makeup this time. I know I did last time, and I did honestly end up using it, but also we had visitors and that kind of thing last time. This time, I'm probably, once I can shower, gonna do my hair a little bit cuter, just for some pictures, some photo op moments that my boyfriend's gonna take. But nobody's gonna be in and out. I will be this. This is just for my own good health. I've got 2 packs of Coca-Cola Tic Tacs. I've got a massive tube of toothpaste and 2 travel toothbrushes from the dollar store because I couldn't find my travel toothbrush. And now my boyfriend has a backup just in case he forgets his. I've got my blue travel hairbrush, pistachio oil body butter. I won't need much of this, but I like to have something thick because the hospital tends to really dry out my skin. A little can of spray-on deodorant, the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner, mini travel Body Shop Moringa shower gel, a tiny pack of watermelon cleansing wipes in case I need to freshen up between showers, or even on the first day post-surgery just to feel less icky. 2 sample items here. This is a squalene tea tree cleansing gel for my face, a kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid face cream. Let's see what's in the baby bag. So I have literally everything in here that I need, with the exception of the newborn soothers, and that is because I have not started any of my room-to-room nesting stuff. I wanted to get these bags packed first. So once I get that done, I will be putting the soothers in the bag, but that is the only thing missing from here. So on the side pouches, I've got 2 bags of wipes, wet wipes. Why, you ask? The hospital provides these things, you say. Yes, they do provide wipes. They do not provide wet wipes. They provide dry wipes that you use with tap water. And I don't like them. I'm just using my diaper bag, by the way. I did leave my bottle of hand sani in here. Got a little bit of butt cream just in case. It was already in there, so I just left it. And then I have 2 PPTPs. Again, they were just in here, so I decided to just leave them. I have packed 4 swaddle blankets. I just prefer the muslin to the cotton baby blankets that are at the hospital. Also, these are going to be his anyway, so I'd rather him just get comfortable with his own accoutrement, you know. Spit blankets. No, 8. Just 8. 8 spit blankets because we definitely ran out of spit blankets numerous times last time, and there was a couple instances where it was late and we couldn't get into the supply room, or there wasn't a nurse around and we couldn't get more blankets brought in or spit towels, so we ended up using our own, and I only brought like 3 last time, so that was the main thing we knew we wanted to use of our own is spit blankets. So there's a ton a ton in here. And then way down at the bottom, can I get it? I have the car seat cover. This is just shoved way down there because we're not going to be using it until we're leaving the hospital. Clothes. Let's discuss clothes. 4 of my favorite sleeping gowns, and that should be good enough, so 2 per night. And then for going home outfits, I did bring his little preemie onesie just in case, and then the bigger option is just this plain white George onesie, which is just super cute, and I thought it went really well with this adorable Nike hat. His little 2-pack of hats from H&M because they're a little smaller than the Nike one and they both go with the plain white. That is it. That is all. That is everything I packed for me and the baby. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave your comments, video suggestions, all of those things, lovely things down in the comments below. I love hearing from everybody. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.